Hello world, this is Friv part 1. I don't know what to call it or anything. So I'm just gonna pick game. Let's do this. Food Grinder. It says it's new. A new game called Food Grinder. This game doesn't sound good. Am I the food, or do I like chop up the food? I don't know. Okay. Alright. Okay, I get it. Oh, okay. Let's redo that. Okay, so I am the food. Oh, okay. I am the food. Holy crap. That was close. No! No, I didn't mean no! Jump down here and get this. Okay, it's going from the same spot again. And now it's just going the opposite way. Okay, well, I'm gonna try and get up there. Never mind. Oh crap, wait, no one told me there can be two. No one ever told me there's gonna be two. No one ever told me that. Okay, this is actually really fun. No. Okay. Let's do number 9. Okay. It's pretty easy in the start, and you try and collect these. Crap. Okay. Get down. Get down another one. Get up. Okay, get down. Get up. Get down. Get right here. Get up here. Oh, I'm beating my score. Oh my goodness, that was close. It's so goodness. Okay, no, I got a score of 18. Okay. No, that was okay. Let's try again. Okay, I already died. Let's retry. Okay, nothing right there. Don't go there. Get that. Oh, jump up here. Get down here. No, come on. I didn't want that to happen. Let's get up here. Get all this stuff. Get down here. Get up here. Wait for that. Never mind. Never mind again. Okay, I'm trying to get down to the. There we go. Okay. No. Whoo! Okay. No. Okay. Oh, it was so close. Okay, get down. Up. Down. Up. Down. I beat my score by 1. Okay, beat my score by 1. Okay, Okay, let's get right here again. Get up here, keep going. No! It didn't let me double jump down or anything. Okay, let's get up here, get down, get up, get down. Get that, get up here, Okay, I feel like there's like a technique to this game. And I feel like it's really simple. But it can also be hard if you make it hard. I feel like it goes on the one you're on, so you just can't stay the one you're on for too long, or else you'll get chopped up. No, oh my goodness. It's not, it didn't tell me, oh, my score is like hidden. It was 17. I got so close to beating my score. Okay, let's try that again. Let's get up here. Can we use W, A, and D? I think I've been using, no, you can't use W, A, and D. Okay, well, I guess I'll just use the up and down arrows, which isn't as good. I'm not as good with the up and down arrows, but I mean, it's better than nothing. So keep going. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I only got 4 diamonds or whatever. Okay, can we go here? Ooh, let's get the $20 one. Oh, I'm a piece of bread. No, can I like change? Okay, this is the different levels. Let's do this level. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's do. Did you just see that? It just said my best score was 1500. Let's hurry and die and see that again. Let's see if it says that again. No, let's go home real quick. No, not that. I know how to play, and I just ruined everything. But it said my best score was like 1,500. I bet I got it on. Oh, that was a double. I almost just died there. Okay, come on. Okay, now we can get the 50. It's an egg. Okay, let's put as the egg. I'm playing as the egg now. I never thought in life I'd be in a video game playing as an egg. I'm literally an egg with eyes. Have you ever seen an egg with eyes? I've seen an egg with toast and eyes. You know, when they do a smiley face with toast. No? Okay. Well, this is me playing as an egg, and dying really quickly because I'm not good at this game. Okay, well, I beat my score, so that's it for today's video. This is a series, so see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.